That's it, free. Good. Get the touch of it. Get the touch of it. Well done, big D and thingy. Good. Move it around. 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 And we play where we can get a control of the line. Guys, what we think? We can get a control of the line. Good. I will take it. Good. That's it. Move it around. Move it around. Good. Same weight. Yeah, the feel of it. Nice. Where's the feel? Done. Line in closely, but we just get some leg swing in. For example, just here and swing, here and swing. Let's go. Come again, let's go. Still on the money. Next one is can be here and just down. So we have 4 in total on each side. 4 on each side. No, not yet. No, so now we move now. Move across. 2 on the right, 2 on the left. Done. That's it. Move down, move down, move down, move down. There's just no single leg on the end. 4 here, come back again. 4 here. Sharpen up, sharpen up, sharpen up. For station. Let's leave the ball, let's leave the ball. 4 even station. 1, 2, 3, 4. Movement, quick. Sprint out. Then walk, come back, work the next side. Once you pass me, then you can decelerate. Well done, John. Good. Sharper. Last little bit. Let's make you side. Well done. Let's make you side. Good. The next side. Loving it. On your call. Sharp. Sprint out. Good. Well done. Last 2, Bob. So the first one, stay this direction. Trot. Next one, work the next side. Yeah, no, face it. 2, and go. Yeah, good and sharp. Well done. That's it. Good done. Sharp. That's it. Good. Well done, Amari. Yes, pray. Well done. Lovely. Last it. Now we take a sip. Good. 2. Then we get out. Get the mannequin once you've done that. Next side.
6 minutes.
Yeah.
What? 6 minutes.
5. So we have 2 groups. Let's start those things today.
Yeah, fill them in, boys. 1 on each cone.
Little race reactions.
Facing away. Off either shoulder. First one. Touch the mannequin. Whistle.
Oh yeah. That's it.
Put on the line. No, we haven't got. Young boy.
Only in the head.
What reaction?
My reaction, man. Reaction thing.
Let's go again then, Mace. Go again, Mace. Oh, fire belly.
I want to see you fast next.
Big Red. Come on. Off your right shoulder, facing that way. Face that way, off your right shoulder. Move that one, move that one. Move that one. Stay with the corner, stay with the corner. Facing that way, stay close to the corner. Turn to go into it. Good race. Good one for the turn. We won't sit. Oh, Roman.
One minute.
1 minute. All right, have a little walk over, boys. Well done. Get a drink again. Get a drink again. Yes, sir.